Hey, today's video is going to be on how to use the Zoom screencast function. So first of all, you type in zoom.us, click on host a meeting with video on. Now I actually have the app that I have downloaded onto my computer, but if you don't want to do that, you can click here and say cancel and then start from your browser. So if your computer doesn't have enough space to download the actual application, you just host it from your browser. Now you should click on join audio by computer. You possibly will get a prompt to say allow computer to use your microphone, to which you reply allow. And when I click on start video, I get a similar prompt to say allow the use of my camera, and then you're in. Now I actually want to share my screen, so I'm going to click on share screen, my entire screen, click it, share, and now I can open a new tab. You go to your website or your Google Drive or your Microsoft 365 or whatever you want to show, you go in there. It's now videoing whatever I do on the screen and can be broadcast to your students. If you would like to invite people, you click on hide, invite, and you can invite by email, so choose your email system that you'd like to use, or you can just copy and paste your URL and copy it, and you message that URL to whoever you would like to join your webinar. This is your chat function. So that has public messaging and private messaging. So if there's other people in the chat, you would choose who you'd like to private message. Be aware of that if you're using this with students. You can record your screen by clicking on record. And when you click on record, this is recording this webinar now. And then what you would do is at the end, you download it. You can then upload that recording to YouTube. And you can also manage your people. So if you would like to mute everybody, you can click on mute. This is recommended, particularly if you've got people in the same room as you who are participating in the Zoom. You should mute them. You can also stop your video so that people can't see what you're doing. By stopping the video, this is a great function if you are still wearing your pajamas or if you want to protect your privacy because you've actually left the room. This is the mute button. This allows you to mute your microphone if you are allowing someone else to talk. It prevents feedback and it prevents background noise from transmitting through your webinar. I would recommend that all participants in your online meeting actually use the mute button at all times unless you have called on them to speak. And that's how you use Zoom. To stop sharing my screen, I click on stop share, and to exit and leave the meeting, I click on leave meeting. If the host leaves the meeting is ended. Let me know in the comments if you've got any questions. Thanks, bye.